We're now being challenged, can you get those mowers changed to battery? Can you get that ride-on changed to battery? We want the utility vehicles to run to battery.
So we are a science and technology campus just south of Oxford. We are home to some of the UK's and world-leading research facilities. At Harwell, people question how things are done and why they're done in a certain way, and will challenge new technologies and challenge the limits of technologies. Our choice to work with Nurture, a big part of that decision was that their reliance or their ability to carry out the work that we needed done to a very high standard without a reliance on fossil fuels.
So Husqvarna has helped us on that sustainable journey with Harwell through delivery of innovation through the equipment on a day-to-day basis. Nurture Landscapes, we are a fully integrated landscape business, one of the largest in the UK. In October, we set out as a business to achieve carbon neutrality by 2025 with a view to go net zero by 2030. So we approached several dealers, we looked at several products, and it was quite clear that the Husqvarna range, the 5 Series Professional range, was by far and away the most appropriate route for us to go down. So initially that cultural acceptance was very difficult. It's not going to work, it doesn't have the range, it doesn't have the power.
I definitely feel that this battery technology is bringing more questions to us. We get a lot more, what is that? It's not very loud. Does it work as well? Are there benefits? Yes, there are. There are loads of benefits. We can work next to buildings now without causing too much disruption.
I was surprised in a good way. I didn't expect the performance of it actually to be quite significant. It can get through work in good time.
To help the wider industry understand that actually this kit is capable, it is commercially up to the job, and it can save money, it saves time. Obviously it's reducing our hand-on vibration requirements, it's reducing our fumes. I think what we're certainly seeing is a huge engagement from our client base, particularly our corporate client base, as they want to drive to net zero. We're now being challenged, can you get those mowers changed to battery? Can you get that ride-on changed to battery? It's the clients and our customers and our guys on the ground who are using the kit where we're seeing the biggest step change. We're working with a number of our clients now at Harwell on improving or increasing our robotic mower fleet, and we're looking at that purchase of that mower fleet as not only cost saving but standard improving. We're going to buy a machine that over its life will cost less than the equivalent petrol or diesel machine, that's going to be able to run more efficiently, provide a better finished product, it's going to tell a better story and is carbon neutral. Well, not only that, that person that was sat behind that machine is then going to be retasked and redeployed to do better horticultural tasks.
We're very, very pleased with both Nurture and Husqvarna in terms of implementation. From the very outset of day one of the contract, new equipment was being used, and straight away we could see how that was performing.
I think there's always scope to improve, but I think at this point, I think the work that we've done with Husqvarna has actively improved our sustainable practice, and it's improved our awareness. But fundamentally more as a moral and ethical stance, I think, to say that we all have a duty to try and improve the environment. We are custodians for an awful lot of landscaping around this country specifically, and if we can enhance that in any way, for people's benefit, whether it's the London parks, and people enjoying sitting and eating and having a picnic or playing or engaging in an environment where we're still able to maintain and enhance that space, and Husqvarna enabling us to do that, then that's great.